How to set Spotify song as ringtone on Android or iOS. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of app tutorial. Now if you're trying to set your Spotify song as a ringtone, let me tell you that it is not possible. Even though if you have the premium version of Spotify, it does not give you any option of setting any song on Spotify as your ringtone. So in this case, what you can only do is open up the song and play the song that you're trying to set as your ringtone and then screen record it. Once you screen record the entire song, you can now convert this video into a MP3, and then you can open up your web browser and search for MP4 to MP3, and then you can upload the video file that you just took, which is the screen record, and then convert it to an MP3 file, and then you can set the song as your ringtone. Or the other thing that you can also do is you can open up YouTube and then search for the song that you want to set as a ringtone, and you can download that song, and then you can also convert that song into an MP3 file as well if you don't want to screen record. So that is the only thing that you can do, and there is no option of setting Spotify song as your ringtone. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.